Salon people in the morning. This is Ibrahim. And I know the council are loud and direct. You know, first of all, I want to say congratulations to we all. Salon people, we wonderful supporters them. You know, congratulations to Dr. Yumkela because we finally don't get registration. Congratulations. Action time. Let's get to work. This is it. It boils down to these moments. These are the moments now. Let's get to work, people. Me young man there. Now let's get ready. Let's strap your boots up. Let me go work. It's time. With the fit salon at the tendies. We know say we get Dr. Yumkela be a week. And at the language that free tongue. You can get people who they contact me when I'm a man and I you know me supporter them when they contact me when they tell me. Say the message you know they reach. When I continue for pass the message. When I continue for talk. I'm not tired. You know, change is not easy for Cam. Change is not easy for Cam at all. Yes, you get for encourage people, you get for talk to them, you get for show them what's in the future. Because they don't like how Salon people and you know, the people and self not fed up. Salon are not fed up. Now people don't know again who that for believe. Well, that's why I come in, the people them. Because no matter what, don't give up. You know, in life, there are certain times, we all know this is why they talk so. Where you almost don't feel saying, I can't do this. I'm not going for do them. You know how magic they happen, miracles they happen. So this is the time. Don't not give up. Dr. Yumkela did for we. Salon the better man. So what's I want to talk to me youth man is this. The young man them. Because I know so I don't ready from Freetown Teto Maburka. From Maburka Teto Kabala. From Kabala Teto Makeni. I'm also not ready for work behind Dr. Yumkela. So now the time this. So the only thing I want to ask of now, dear, I want to practice clean politics. We need to practice dirty politics. So Dr. Yumkela is a very honorable man. I don't think you know want that kind of dirty politics. I know that cause or fet. No, you say anybody where they support you, I ain't go fet or I ain't go cause. No one nandy. No cause nobody, mama and papa. We don't attack nobody in personality. We attack the substance and the issues where they can talk to about right now. Because we don't say APC don't pick Samura Kamara as the nominee for representing at the election. We don't say we give them the biggest crushing defeat ever. We APC don't ever seen in a lifetime. This one. At the election, this will go show that say yes. If Salon people are not fool. If you say we're not fool, they don't take us for granted. But we know say we're not fool. We know say we're not nowhere to not depart. So now the time this, now I don't reach so. So dear me people, yeah, no fat, no cost nobody. Alright, so let's tell you about Dr. Samura Kamara. First of all, this man inside Freetown, all these years they work na Freetown. Nobody knows Sabia. Yeah, when I tell me what's they say about the character of the person. When they inside Freetown, and they work na Freetown, nobody knows Sabia. What do you think? You feel saying that somebody that they were sober? And the reason we make the not Sabian because that man did not do nothing with all the position the way they hold. From bank governor to foreign affairs minister and this and that. No substantive policy no the way put in place where benefits the average Salomon. Wanna show me one? What he don't do? From where they inside the system. Before that, they eat no more salon, and they want and they fry the oil in the salon and they squeeze the living life out of the country. People again and they. You didn't have free tongue, you not minister of this and that, foreign affairs, bank governor. People not sabi you. Ebo, a shameful. So then they all left that money. There is no substantive policy. Let somebody show me one. Where benefits the Kijimi boy? Where benefits that man in that village? What he do? Wanna show me? There is none. It's inside the system. All the day that for support an Escoma and will and Escoma and wish for taking off an Escoma way and Escoma common power. That's all. Na same kukuju muku mix up patano na in the pano. So dear me people, I want to wake up. That man the defeat is there. I don't know. Because people, young people are not sabi. But I'll take Dr. Yumkela. Dr. Yumkela, not the fit on all these years, but he did it. You know, they're full time as any minister of government and this and that. But he did it because they doing work. Dr. Yumkela be under UNIDO. He do 2 terms since 2005 to 2013. We be the Director General of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization. The amount of projects they were put and pan. As he get that position, they always tell they do no more now. Na salon. Where go help other countries small, they can't salon. So like you know some facts. But Dr. Yumkela, una dey hear that Hydro Dam way bill? 2 Hydro Dam the way bill. During his tenure, he initiated the construction of 2 hydroelectric power dams in Charlotte and Bankasoka. Una go prove for yourself, me people. 2 hydroelectric power dams there. One in Charlotte, one in Bankasoka. This na facts are the do now. Wait na Indua. Na Dr. Yumkela under in where it is United Nations Industrial Development Director General. The Director General. Now he embark on them project there. When I go check for, when I go find out for yourself, me people. This is to Baku talk, we talk, we can lie power again. Lie don't do. Then, as Director General, he also initiated and supported the establishment and rehabilitation of the following industrial growth centers across Sierra Leone. And one thing I like Dr. Yumkela, where they do what they do, you know, they touch number 1 area, say if na free talk, and they make sure say go across the city, they zigzag across the country, from the east to the west, north to south. So then growth center they are already talk about. So when I for youth them, for develop youth them, it get them a Koidu na the Kailaon district, Pandembu when I Kenema district, Rotifunk when I Moyamba district, Bo when I the southern province, who many people on the area. We need to tribalize this politics, this election. But on the area, Pujeon, Binkolo, Cambia, Conta Line, Bendebu, Newton, and Kamakwe. In growth center, the way go make. When I for help youth man them. All Dr. Yumkela. They do it. They don't do it for we country. And at the time, this log get the chance now. When sit on that chair, so Lord have mercy. All the program their way want don't try for implement so they go come to pass. Because then they make things difficult when the government na power not serious. And like are you serious when you go to better? You know they come better. He also helped na the Fisheries and Marine Training Institute. The one where in a Kisido Kiad. Their information they give us on the facts I want to find out for ourselves. Wait, Mauna go say no they do, but people they sabi Dr. Yumkela. I get people they call me from Maboroka. They say, but I'm away go work out first. Now so force now they talk to the people. Now say this place a bit so today. All these years we don't come overseas now. They study all this book where they can get all this experience and all that thing. It surprised me. But I say it for me. I'm proud of her. Yes. But so they talk about the fisheries and the Marine Training Institute where in Akisido Kian. Now he build them, he replace them. Because the old institute they be born and down during the Rebel War. So Dr. Yumkela as Director General of UNIDO, the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, they facilitated the training of 14 Sierra Leoneans when I graduate them in various aspects of marine engineering at the Astrakhan Technical University in Russia. We allow them 14 Sierra Leoneans there. Dr. Yumkela allow them 14 salon people there will benefit under that program. Let salon people see the letter here for themselves. When I go find out that the fish is where it is so. Now under Dr. Yumkela, now he make a revitalize them back, bring them to fruition, bring them to light. So many people in the facts are the good. I know I make this video long because the list is long. So I want to cut this video now. All the which I want to say to no more, youth man them. When I wake up, you know, when I wake up, we get people in there, like the diaspora now. We don't ready for now. We don't tower for now. We don't sit down for now. We don't sit down be now. So God and this day, when they come up and beg. You know, it done at the politics this year, this election 2018. When I go vote for Dr. Yumkela, we go change your life there. Professional in this country. When a Sierra Leoneans they were overseas now, America, England, all side. We're ready for go take care of. Shout out to Dr. Nicole, Dr. Francis Nicole. You know who I'm talking about. Now one of the renowned Sierra Leoneans they were in this country, this America now. That man get over 6 degrees. We don't need Baku education for go change alone. But it will be principal at one of the schools there. This area. You know, now like retired PhD holder, any Mac people, the one where they look towards a doctorate. And they take, you know. So shout out to Dr. Nico. Now people like that, they don't need for go change the educational system na salon. With all the know-how, you don't can acquire that. Because the education is the biggest thing for me, first of all, for beginning. So people, man like them one and then I do your youth man, they wanna wake up, yeah? I left this video and let long 2 months. Let for digest this one, yeah. Alright? So congratulations again. National Grand Coalition on take off full time. Election March 2018. The victory is over. The election done. Now the term this. Now begin. Gets to work. I love you guys. Pass this message and share them. Okay? Alright. Have a good day, everybody.